I think that as far as car insurance goes, is somewhat of a scam. I understand the part about, it will pay for people's medical. If I'm driving down the road, I hit somebody and I mess them up, they get a broken arm, broken ribs or something, or whatever, then I understand that part. But I'm 44 years old. I've had insurance since I was 17. There was a couple years that I didn't have insurance because I didn't have a vehicle. But most of my life, I've had, a car, a vehicle, and I've had insurance. I have not had any accidents. I have not been in an accident where somebody hit me or I hit them. Okay, so this is my first experience. But what I've discovered here is that, yeah, I understand the medical part, but as far as your car loss, no. That part to me is a stupid scam. That money that I've spent all these years, if you add it up, is quite a bit of money. I don't know how much it is, but that's quite a bit of money that's coming out of my pocket every month, and it hasn't done anything for me. It's in case something happens, but nothing has ever happened. So, in a way, it's a waste. You know what I mean? And as far as getting your car replaced, now, if your car gets damaged a little bit, then they will repair your vehicle and put it back to the way it was. But with my car being smashed in like it is, I mean, yeah, it can be. I bet it can be fixed because I think that anything can be fixed if you really want to have, put the effort in it. I think I should have the choice of saying I want my car repaired instead of give me what you think it's the value of it is, because I'm gonna get fucked. Okay, I'm gonna get fucked in my ass. And it's upsetting. It's depressing. I keep trying to think about it, but if I hire a lawyer, for one thing, he's not going to take my case because I'm not getting a whole lot of money. 3,000. Let's say I wanted $3,000, which I don't. I want 2,000. Nothing below 2,000. But let's say, it was, yeah, let's say I want $2,000. The point is, the lawyer is not going to want to take the case because it's not a lot of money, and I got to pay him, and so therefore I'm not going to get much money back. You see, I read on the internet over and over again, different sites, and it's all the same. You basically get screwed with your car being replaced, or not replaced, but being, them giving you the money of what they think it's worth, because they won't even go by the blue book. It goes by this other damn thing. So, oh God, shit. It's so unfair. I mean, they could give me $500. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to say? I don't want that, and then they just won't give me no money at all. So I'm gonna have to take whatever they give me. I thought, well, they could do it where, part of the suing is the lawyer gets paid. That part they have to pay, and the court costs. They have to pay that too, but that's not the way it works. If it's medical, then yeah, you should get a lawyer. But if it's about the car, then no. It's a waste of time. So I think it's a little unfair. I mean, the accident was not my wife's, it was the other person. My car should be replaced with something of the same value, or I should get like close to the money I spent, or they had to repair the car. I don't know what to do. No, I keep getting, people in the family on her side actually saying, get a lawyer. That's not true and all this stuff, but it is. No, I even talked to State Farm and all that. And also, there's kind of like a business with these people. They shake hands, they might drag their feet, but it's a nice, kind of smooth, transaction between who takes the claim, if they reject it or accept it, and the money being given and stuff. And if you go and get a lawyer, then you're disrupting that, and it could affect your payments later on, making it where it's higher. I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's so upsetting. That was a good car. Basically, you just got to make sure you don't get in a car accident. Period. Otherwise, even if I bought a whole lot of insurance, it wasn't going to repair my car. All it's going to do is help me with them. If they get injured, then I have more money now to cover their bills. That's all that really matters. If you get full coverage, it will cover, like if I hit a tree or if I hit a pole or something like that. Oh, but as far as I'd be in the same boat I am now, my car would not be. I wouldn't be given the same amount of money my car was worth, even if I had full coverage. I can't understand that. I looked and looked to figure out some way that I could protect myself better in the future, and there isn't anything. I ramble on enough. You guys have a good one. Take care, and let me know what you think. Okay? Do you have any solutions, answers, suggestions that I could do? God bless.